Quick Assist is a built-in tool in Windows 10 and 11 that allows one person to remotely access and control another person's computer in order to provide technical assistance or troubleshoot issues. This can be a useful tool for remotely assisting someone with a computer problem. It allows the technician to see the user's screen, control the mouse and keyboard, and run diagnostic tests and troubleshooting tools. To use Quick Assist, the person seeking assistance, the assistee, will need to share their screen with the technician, the assistant. The assistant can then remotely access and control the assistee's computer in order to diagnose and troubleshoot any issues. Quick Assist can be used to help troubleshoot a wide range of computer problems, including hardware and software issues, connectivity problems, and performance issues. The assistee will also need to grant the assistant access to their computer. Quick Assist can be launched from the Start menu in Windows 10 or by typing Quick Assist into the search box. If you are using Quick Assist on a regular basis to troubleshoot computer issues, it may be helpful to familiarize yourself with the tool and learn how to use it effectively. This could include learning how to share your screen, granting access to your computer, and using the various tools and features that Quick Assist offers. It may also be helpful to keep track of any issues that you encounter and the solutions that you find, as this can help you to troubleshoot problems more quickly and efficiently in the future.